my name is Deep. Today we are going to test a specific EV tire which is made from Apollo, and this is the new segment in the car field entirely, and I want to test how good it is at braking first of all. So I am looking for that as a car enthusiast. Let's go and drive.
Did you see the road noise is much lesser?
Yep.
Absolutely no the same. I'll show you braking as well.
Wow.
These will get a good stretch if you want to do a test.
Braking, I want to
Yeah,
see.
okay. Guys, hold on at the back, okay?
Yeah.
So we're doing a 70. That's from 100.
7.57.
That's from 100.
Yeah. This is amazing, guys. I had a beautiful ride with Santosh, who did a braking for me, and the noise level is very low compared to the normal tires, and it is amazing to see how they are braking like in ice car. So Santosh, he did a fantastic job. He's there. So I found it very, what do you call? Silence is awesome. First of all, in EV cars, I would say that the credit goes to the driver who is driving actually always. And the roads are bumpy. We did a bumpy drive as well, and the normal roads as well. He showed me all the kind of tracks as well. So the EVs is a must go. I mean the Apollo tires for all the EVs. So I would say double thumbs up.